Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super cool lamp that is also a speaker. And it actually has a really nice speaker, just to be like some kind of a really nice home office or gaming setup decoration that also has a speaker. I think this could be really, really good. I'm going to actually turn off the lights in a little bit so you can see better. But the bottom line is that this one has a fantastic cozy light. It's going to be a cozy light. It's not going to be a light just like illuminate your whole room or something like that. It's gonna be more for like a cozy atmosphere. So that's actually really nice and cozy nice. And also you can connect it via Bluetooth to your phone, your devices, whatever, and just play some music or listen to the radio or just like a podcast or something like that with this fantastic speaker that is on the bottom. It also comes with a rubber pad on the bottom, so it won't move easily once you put it in the surface. And right here, you're gonna find that you can put a micro SD card and also a USB-C for recharging purposes. And the micro SD card is just to put some music if you don't want to use the Bluetooth and you want to go on a trip or something like that, you can do it. But this one, let's actually turn it on. So check this out. You have the lights with different levels. You also have a pulse. You can see that this one goes from max to minimum just like by itself. And then you can actually dim the light if you need. This is going to be kind of like the most bright as well, the most cozy one. But then once that is connected, let me actually show you this one. It has another cool thing. Just like that, you can do that and kind of like shape with it a little bit. So I think that's actually kind of cool. And it has a magnet over there. So you do that and it's already set up. You can see how nice this one is and how powerful it's just judging by the side. And just remember, you can play it with it a little bit or just use it as a nice lamp for sure. Like it, I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.